The first thing that I want to talk about in this conversation is understanding what a fiduciary is. So, Adam, in your best English language, what would you say as a CFA a fiduciary is?
A fiduciary would be walking in your shoes. What would I do if I was walking in your shoes? That's about as simple as I can make it.
That's very, very good. I always tell people that as a legal fiduciary, we have to treat your money as if it were mine and we were in the same situation. So one of the books that I'm reading, it's called the Ruthless Elimination of Hurry. Says we go back to the old question of what would Jesus do, and we really need to rephrase that. What would Jesus do with my resources, in my time, in my city, with the things that I have? And that's really what you're saying as a fiduciary. We're doing the same thing, right? What would I do in your shoes? What would I do if I had your resources, if I was your age, if I lived in Middletown, Indiana? What would I do, right? And that's really that question, right?
Yeah.
Does everybody have a fiduciary?
Absolutely.
Yeah,
yes,
absolutely.
You do.
So who's most people's fiduciary?
Well, I say if you can't name them, it's you.
It's you, baby. It is typically the man in the mirror. At the end of the day, somebody has to make the financial decision.